Okay, this is Chem 415. We have a question here to deal with. What's the question talking about? Or what is the question all about? The question says a solution of leucine in 4.0 gram per 50 ml, which is 50 milliliter of hydrogen chloride, had an observed rotation of 1.81 degree in a 30 centimeter polarimeter. Calculates the specific rotation and two the molar rotation of leucine in hydrogen chloride. You have been given the molar weight of the leucine to be 131.2. That's 131.2 gram per mole. So what you need to do in this case is for you to go to the solution part, solution. Okay, now the question, let's interpret the question. The question says a solution of leucine in 4.0 gram per 50 ml, which is milliliter. Now, this is gram per liter now. This is gram. That means you have been given gram to be 4.0. You can interpret that. And you have also been given the liter, which is the volume, to be 50 ml, which is milliliter. So now, as a science student, as a chemistry student, you should know that gram per liter or gram per milliliter is a concentration. So your concentration can be symbolized with a letter C, equal to, that means you have been given concentration to be 4.0 gram per 50 ml. So convert this to gram per liter. Now, for you to be able to convert this to gram per liter, for you to be able, so you can have your SI unit, you simply, okay, 4.0 divided by 50, you simply multiply this by 1000. Once you multiply this by 1000, the milliliter, the milli is out. Once you multiply this by 1000, the milli is out. And this gives you, if you multiply, okay, this 0 cancel this, so 5 cancel 100, that will be 20. So 20 times 4 will give you 80. So your answer now will be in gram per liter. You've gotten this one. So the next step is for you to go back to the question. They say of hydrogen chloride had an observed rotation of 1.81. So that means observed rotation. Observed rotation is symbolized with a capital letter A naught, equal to 1.81 degree. 1.81 degree, sorry. 1.81 degree. Now, if you go to the question again, they say in a 30 cm polarimeter. So that means in cm, no, centimeter is actually the path length. So my path length is actually symbolized with the letter L, equal to 30 centimeter. So convert this to dm. dm is equivalent to L. So it's equivalent to L. Okay. So if you want for you to do this, it is simply done by dividing the 30 by 10, and you have your answer to be 3dm. Or you can say it's equivalent to somebody saying it's the same thing like saying 3L. The same thing like that. Okay. The same thing like this. So now in this case, you are asked number one, you are asked to find the specific rotation. So specific rotation is symbolized with this, okay, equal to nothing. Okay, so using the formula, which formula really best or really fits into this? Using the formula, what's the formula? Okay, as a science student, you have to be playing with you have to be, your formula should be your boy and girl friends. Okay, so now formula for this is actually, okay, equal to my observed rotation per my concentration and my path length. And if I substitute the value of this idiot into this, I am likely to have my observed rotation, which is this, okay, divided by what is my, okay, which is this, what is my concentration? My concentration is actually 80. times what is my length? My length is given to be 3. So if I make use of my calculator with this, I am going to have the answer to be 0.00754. And by the way, your observed rotation was given in positive, which is okay, positive here. So it's going to be in positive, okay, degree. Do you understand? This is your observed rotation. Now II says, in II you were asked to find the molar rotation. So molar rotation is symbolized with this, molar equal to nothing, but you were given the molar weight. The molar weight is symbolized with this, MW, to be equal to 131.2 gram per mole. So using the formula, I love this, using the formula using the formula okay, the formula for finding this is actually given as this: the molar rotation equals to the specific rotation, which is this, okay, multiplied by the molar weight, which is equivalent to what is my this? I got it to be this 0, okay, plus 0.00754, okay, times what is my molar, okay, is 131.2, and that will give me, if I make use of my calculator very well, the answer is going to be plus 0.9892 degree. This is the answer. Very simple, as simple as it is. So thank you so much for watching. I plead with you to follow me up on my YouTube, okay, on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment wherever you have issue in understanding it, okay, comment, ask questions, like, subscribe. Thank you, share to your friends too. Thank you so much for watching. I treasure your time. Okay, let me keep the question, the solving very well for you to go through it. You can screenshot. I remain your humble physician.